Top 3 websites to watch anime for completely free. So if you want to watch anime for free, then there are 3 websites which I'll just share with you. So you can open up your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with, and I'll be showing you with my Google. So once you open your browser or Google now, you can go for the search and you need to search for Crunchyroll. So this is the first website. You can simply search for Crunchyroll or crunchyroll.com, and here you will have www.crunchyroll.com on the first, and you can watch your anime on Crunchyroll. Tap on that and tap on OK, which is on the bottom, and if you scroll down here you will have all of the animes that you can watch for free. So this is the first website, and the second website is Funimation. So tap on Funimation. So Funimation is also similar to the Crunchyroll. It has the similar kind of website. You can simply tap on the Funimation and it will take you to the Crunchyroll. If you scroll down, you will have the same interface as Crunchyroll, and if Crunchyroll is not available in your region, then you can watch from Funimation. So this is the second website, and the third website is Tubi TV. So once you've searched for Tubi TV, here you will have the tubitv.com. You can simply click on it, and you can either register or sign into your account and start watching. So tap on start watching, and once you tap on start watching, here you will have all of the animes. So you can simply search for any anime that you would like, and you can tap on watch now for free, and you can watch any anime for free. So these were the top 3 websites to watch anime for completely free, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.